Hello, options traders. So I just completed a new course that I put a massive amount of effort into. It's all around the wheel strategy, which is a pretty common strategy. Most of you in here are probably already aware of it. But the number one differentiator is I'm using AI, artificial intelligence, in the process. As part of that course, I also shared a number of different trades that are kind of wheel adjacent, I might call them. And over the next few weeks, I want to share those sections with you here in this community. Now, the very last one, I go a little deeper specifically on using AI in the financial world. So these are edited. They're going to have some weird cuts in places, things along those lines. But I really wanted to share them in this channel. I think you're going to find them of value. And if you do, I'd like to ask that you give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. Let me know that you find them helpful if you would. Thanks so much, and let's get into the first one here, which is kind of the opener, just a little bit of an introduction on my use of OptionStrat. Take care. I want you to see the shape. I want you to understand the risk profile of these different trade variations before you ever get involved in them. These trades are going to be a little more complex in some cases. Some are going to have 2 legs, some are going to have 3 legs, some are even going to have 4 legs. So we're going to take a look at what that means and how I like to evaluate structures as I start to study them. My main go-to tool here for studying trades initially, getting a feel for how they act in different market conditions, just kind of understanding the general nature of them, is OptionStrat. The nice thing about OptionStrat is that I can develop a model, which you're going to see me do here in a minute, and then there's a whole bunch of sliders and things that I can change in there to show how does the passing of time impact the P&L? How does volatility going up or down impact the P&L? How does volatility, if I have a calendar spread, how does volatility going up in the front strike, down in the back strike impact my trade? So there's lots of different what ifs I can play here in OptionStrat, and it's got a really good, what I consider to be graphical user interface associated with it. It's pretty easy to use for that standpoint. Now, I consider OptionStrat to essentially be like a flight simulator. It's a good way to go in and model different positions, play with them, see the what-if scenarios. Like if I were in a flight simulator, well, gee, what if a storm came? What if the wind got up to 50 miles an hour? All of those different things. So for those reasons, I'm always going back to OptionStrat. So what are the things that OptionStrat's going to show me? Well, it's going to show me a detailed payoff diagram. The profit and loss at every price as the underlying moves up and down, at expiration and today and any point in between. It's going to show me what are my projected break-evens. Now, this is using standard options trading calculations, predominantly the Black-Scholes model. So that's a industry standard for modeling options. It's going to show you max profit and max loss on each and every trade. It's going to show a plain warning when the loss isn't capped. In other words, if I'm doing something naked, like the cash secured put, which is a naked put, it's going to warn me about that, letting me know I have undefined risk. In the free version, it doesn't show all of the Greeks. On the low-tiered paid version, it will show you all of the Greeks as well on a leg-by-leg basis. So what is my number one use for it? Well, it's learning how a given position actually behaves in a wide range of circumstances. You'll see me here in a moment pull up a given trade and then run it through a whole bunch of what ifs. If you're newer to options, this is one of the best ways to learn how these different positions act in different market environments. You'll have a nice graphical user interface that's high impact, easy to use, and allows you to see the shape of the trade instantly every step of the way. You'll be able to model time decay, volatility in just seconds by dragging a slider around. You can look at things like separate volatility per leg. You can set IV or volatility independently between front and back legs in a time spread. That's something very few platforms can do. Every trader should be able to fully explain the specific trade they're considering. If they can't explain the trade diagram and understand when the trade is going to win, when the trade is going to lose, quite frankly, they shouldn't be in it. So yeah, this just ended on one of those harsh cuts I was talking about. The others coming up largely shouldn't be that abrupt, and the information should be a little more complete in them. So make sure you look for those coming out over the next few weeks. Take care.